I attempted a Puptart cake, and today I'm gonna show you how I decorated it. If you are new to my channel, I'm Rox of Rockstar Bakes, and my passion is helping people make sweet treats. Let's get into it. Prepare a quarter sheet cake with a lighter batter that can pass as a Pop-Tart. I recommend vanilla, yellow, white, or a lemon cake. I bake a traditional quarter sheet cake in 2 halves, and you'll see why in a second. If you don't have a recipe, I've linked my favorites in the description below. Build a buttercream dam around the edges so the filling doesn't overflow. This also helps to keep the cake stable later when you stack them. I fill the inside with my no sugar chia jam filling. For an alternative filling, I shared another pun dessert that included a super quick strawberry jam. Stack the sheet cake. I crumb coat the sheet cake, and this will lock in the moisture. And now I measure and mark about 1 inch from every side so everything can be centered. And then I use my Swiss meringue buttercream to make the icing with frosting. Then smooth everything with an angled spatula. And now for the puppy face. Pug Sheen is my inspiration. Pipe the mouth in 2 parts because the bottom part of the mouth needs to be dry. I use a template, parchment paper, piping bag, 3 piping tip, and royal icing. Then pipe the black nose and mouth directly to the muzzle. Apply the face and the 6-slits. If you want to be super detail-oriented, you can make giant royal icing sprinkles. Get it? Puptart? Pop-Tart? I'm so sorry I forgot to record the actual slicing of the cake. Please bear with me. I promise I'll get better with future videos. Like, share, and subscribe if this was helpful at all. I hope you have a sweet day. Bye.